ZTE is reportedly working on a new Nubia smartphone with an improved screen-to-body ratio to take on the likes of the Vivo Nex and the recently launched Oppo Find X. The Nubia smartphone is expected to offer a screen-to-body ratio of over 91% and targeting above that of the Find X, which is currently the highest. The leaked renders reveal a slim design and a notchless display, whereas other reports suggest that it could be coming under the name of Nubia Z18. There is no official word on the same from ZTE as of now. However, the company is indeed preparing to launch the Z18 soon. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. While the company has remained tight-lipped about the features and specifications of the Nubia Z18, a lot of alleged details of the device have already been revealed. The device is expected to offer a 5.9-inch LCD display with at least Full HD resolution and an 18:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone could be powered by the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, along with two RAM options being 6 and 8 GB. Storage options also come in duos, being 64 and 128 GB to choose from. As far as the camera specifications are concerned, the device is expected to flaunt a dual camera setup at the rear with a 24-megapixel primary sensor along with an 18-megapixel secondary sensor for all the dual camera effects. On the front, the device is likely to host an 8-megapixel selfie snapper and run Android 8.0 Oreo right out of the box. As per the leaked images on the technology portal /leaks, there are no capacitive touch buttons on the bottom of the device. The navigation buttons are included on the software itself and doesn't waste precious screen real estate. The front face of the Nubia Z17 is completely dominated by the display, along with a thin chain at the bottom, while the edges are not curved but the side bezels are really very thin and give almost bezel-less feeling. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.